Hello and welcome to the Flagproofer tutorial video on how to post properly using software A and software B. The proper way to post, please follow this exactly as I say. Watch the video 2 or 3 times if necessary until you're 100% sure you're doing exactly what I'm about to say. Before you post any ads, you want to open up your softwares. I'm doing 5 posts today in my time zone, and I want you to also learn in your time zone as well. So I'm posting 5 ads in my time zone using 1 email because I'm allowed 5 posts per 1 email. And I must mention that the email is phone verified already. So I opened up 5 software A's on the left and 3 on software B's on the right. I'm almost finished opening up 5 software B's. So I've saved that for you so I can show you. Open up 2 more. Put them down here. Okay, when you first start and you download your trial, your trial starts, your softwares will say 7 days on top instead of 359 days. Okay, in the bottom boxes you'll notice they all say 1. In the left, in the software A, the top left box here, you want to make 20. Make them all 20. They were 10 before and I switched them to 20 already. You want them to be 20 in the top left box. The units, digits, I put a 1 in the first one, a 3 in the next one, a 5 in this one, a 7. As you can see, I'm going up by the odd numbers, and a 9 in the last. And of course, 1s in the bottom boxes of all 10 softwares. So now, with the softwares open, software A, software B, all the numbers are ready to go inside the boxes. Now we're ready to post our ads. I already posted 3 ads to save us some time. So we're going to show you how to post the remaining 2, and you'll always post each one of your ads the exact way I'm about to do it now. Number 1, always make sure that you are not logged into a Craigslist account. So I'm going to check to see and make sure that I'm not logged in. I click on my account on top left hand corner and I look, I see I'm not logged in. That's good. Again, you do not want to be logged in. So now you want to start your post. You're on your main city in your time zone to test this out, and I'm going to post 5 ads in the cars and trucks for sale section. So I'm on the main page, the main category page I call it. This is the page you want to be on in your city. In the top left hand corner you'll see up here it's post to classifieds. Click that and start your post. I'm going to post 2 ads quickly here. This is exactly how you want to be doing it as well. Start from that main category page. One thing I always do, each title I change slightly. I did A, B, and C before, so now I'm doing A, B, C. I'm doing D. I just put a D and then paste. Add your photo. Now I'm going to take a second to explain. I always change the title a little by adding a D or an E, and I change, or a hello or hi. I always change the beginning slightly. This is a D. You'll see what I mean in a moment with that. Also, I add, this is important, make sure you put your, whether it's your phone number, email, or web address, whatever you're trying to convey to the customer, your contact information should be in the title. I kind of sneakily added in this way, 429 555 98 1, 2. You see the way I write it? It's in code. I sneak it in. And in the photo, if you don't know how to add text to a photo, we have a video below for you to watch. But you must always, in the first photo, put your contact information, whether it's your phone number, email, or web address. Remember that. Phone number, email, or web address in the photo. Also, any really important info you want on the photo should be in here. This photo can be any photo that you want, or whatever you're selling, whatever you're posting. The photo can be your photo. Just make sure the phone number's in there, or the website or email address. The title should always be slightly different and have your contact info as well in there. The description, you can do whatever you want. It's up to you. And it doesn't have to change. It can be the same. Let's publish this one. It'll send it to your email address. Okay, that's the fourth one that I did so far. I do not want to go to my email address, and neither will you, until you finish posting completely. So now I'm going to do the fifth one. Go to the top corner, click on your category there, send you back here. Start a new post by posting to classifieds. Find your category and get to your posting page. Stick in the same city, same category for your testing while you're testing. Until you're experienced with it, then you can start experimenting. This one, sorry, let me take that away for a moment. This one we're going to make E. The last one was D, right? And then this. Again, we're slightly changing the title a little bit each time. Everything else seems to be staying the same. One thing I'd like to mention, I like to wait 10 seconds before I click publish here. So I quickly read over the post like this, make sure it's good, right? 10 seconds, and then I click it. It's just a thing I do. You should also do it. Publish, and there, it's sent there. So now all of our posts are sitting in our email waiting to be activated. So what we want to do now is, without further ado, close this out, open this bigger, go to our email. I already had the first three that I did. See A, B, and C? Email, we should have two more in there, and we do. Okay, I'll show you how this works now. You ready to start posting the ads? Okay, I think we should do this. Click that. Now follow me here. After you click accept the terms, you're on a 20-second time clock, which means you quickly click post to ads right there. Go to the top up here, grab that URL that you see in the very top, not the blue one in the green area, the URL on the very top. Pop it into your software and press start. That has to be done within the first 20 seconds. Your post will go live at 11:51. Okay, it's almost 10 o'clock right now, so we're talking about a 2-hour time difference for me. Yours may be different. Yours may go live within 30 minutes to 45 minutes, or 30 minutes, something in that area. On my computer, I'm always waiting an hour to 2 hours for my post to go live, but they all do, and they all stay up. Okay, so we just did the first one, and we put it in there. Now, I usually wait 1 minute in between activating posts. And what I mean by that is going here and activating the next post. I usually wait a good minute. I think I've talked long enough so we can do the next one. Accept the terms, quickly manage your ad. Click on it. Go to the very top, copy that little URL, pop it in the software, press start. That one's going live at 11:23. Okay, very good so far. third one. I like to wait a minute, like I said, give it some time. We are on a timer here, so okay, that sounds about right. Time. As you can see, again, accept the terms, and I quickly go to manage your ad, grab the URL from here. If you don't get this in within 20 seconds, the post could get flagged. But if you get it in the software and the time shows, and you're good. You're going to be fine. So you leave it like that. Now we're going to go, we got 2 more to put in. Waiting. As close to a minute as you can. So this one's going to go live at 12:05. It's 2 hours from now. That's 2 hours and 20 minutes from now. For me. For you, it'll be sooner, I hope. Okay. Start. 11:17. See, some go live in an hour and some go live in 2 hours. Okay, and finally the last one. This is one here. Okay. Let's just do it because I want to show you what happens next. This is what you must do with software B. Okay, I just posted 5 ads. Oops, sorry about that. Copy that. Copy. And start. And this post will go live at 11:19. Okay, now we have them in software A. What we want to do now is minimize that. Copy the URL from in here, put it in software B. Paste. Copy the URL from this one, copy, put it in this one. Following me on this, right folks? Copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay. Now, once you've done that, you see the time is here. Okay. Now, you have the time. You want to press stop on software A, the top one. Stop here. Stop. Stop. And stop. Stop all 5 of them. But keep it open. Don't close them because we want to see the time. At 11:51, this post is going to go live. At 11:23, this post is going to go live. 12:05, this post goes live. 11:17, this post goes live. And 11:19, this post goes live. But that's in 2 hours. So to save us time, we're going to pretend that the time has arrived. Let's pretend 11:51 has arrived. Okay? So now what we're going to do at 11:51 is we're going to go into this software here. So at 11:51 on your time, on your clock, we're pretending that the time passed just now, and it's now 11:51. When 11:51 arrives, you're going to press start. That's it. When 11:23 arrives, you press start on this one. When 12:05 arrives, you press start on this one. 11:17 arrives, you press start on this one. And when 11:19 arrives, you press start on this one. Now, all 5 softwares are going to be going live very shortly, right? And the flag proofing software is now working. Here's the deal. How does it work? You might think. What happens is this: when someone tries to flag your post, the software will jump in and disable the post until the flag passes. Once the flag passes, it will reactivate the post. So it disables the post for 30 seconds to a minute and then reactivates it, letting the flag go by, making it as if you never got flagged. This keeps your ad from getting flagged. The software can block up to 3 or 4 flag attempts at one time. So if 4 people at one time try to flag you, the software will disable the post and reactivate it accordingly, and making it as though you never got flagged, keeping your post live. Okay? Once again, I'm going to say that. When someone flags your ad, the software jumps in, before it hits your post, disables your post, lets the flag go by, and then reactivates your post. And that's how it works. I'm trying to think of anything that I might have left out. Other than that, once it's in software B here on the right side and they're all going at the appropriate times, you leave them alone. Okay? You also go back to here and just simply erase them like this. You don't even need to have them anymore, because it will keep your ads live. And if for some reason you get hit by more than 4 flaggers at one time, then when you get 5 people or 6 people or 7 people that flag you at one time, the software could, malfunction in that way, and you could get flagged. But only if you're getting hit with like 5, 6, 7 people at once. Okay? Now, in the event that your post does get flagged, whatever software is working on that post will stop, and a pop-up window will show up and tell you that your post was flagged. So you don't have to have the windows open. You don't have to keep watching to see if your ads were flagged. The software will notify you if your post ever does get flagged. That's it, folks. I hope that helps. Please watch the video a couple times. Watch every video that we have associated with your software. Thank you. Have a great day.